G'day Bitcoiners, welcome back to Edge 21, your go-to channel for trending Bitcoin news, updates, and insights. Today we're breaking down one of the most asked questions in the Bitcoin world. Is it too late to buy? Spoiler alert, it's not. In fact, we're just getting started. Bitcoin is hovering just below 100K, and guess what? People like Michael Saylor are still buying billions of dollars worth. So what do they know that you don't? Stick around as we dive into jaw-dropping numbers, bold price predictions, and the revolutionary potential of Bitcoin. If you're holding cash and waiting for a better entry point, this episode might just change your mind. Let's get into it. All right, let's kick things off with some numbers. Right now, Bitcoin has 105 million users worldwide. Impressive, right? But let's zoom out. There are 4 billion adults on this planet. That means Bitcoin adoption has barely begun. Imagine the potential as more people jump on board. Take a look at this graph. It shows Bitcoin's user growth exploding year over year. And based on projections, we're still at the beginning of this curve. The takeaway? You're not too late, you're still early. Now, let's talk about where Bitcoin stands in the world of currencies. It's already the 5th largest currency, competing with 180 fiat currencies globally. But here's the big idea. Some experts believe Bitcoin could one day rival the US dollar in dominance. Check this out. This graph highlights how Bitcoin is quickly catching up to major fiat currencies. If its past exponential growth is any indicator, we're looking at a serious contender for global currency dominance. But Bitcoin isn't just competing with fiat, it's surpassing traditional financial giants. It's already much bigger than JP Morgan and Bank of America combined. Oh, and it recently overtook silver in market value. Its next target? Gold. This graph says it all. Bitcoin isn't some niche tech project, it's a financial powerhouse. And here's the kicker. Bitcoin could one day hit $826,000 if it matches gold's market cap of $17 trillion. But wait, it gets better. Bitcoin is superior to gold in every way. Gold is bulky, hard to move, and can even be faked. Bitcoin? It's digital, secure, and instantly transferable. Let's zoom out even more. Look at this graph. It compares Bitcoin's market cap to other major asset classes like real estate, bonds, and equities. Right now, Bitcoin's market cap stands at around $1.7 trillion. Sounds big, right? But when you compare it to real estate's $380 trillion or bonds' $130 trillion, it's clear that Bitcoin is just getting started. Imagine the possibilities if Bitcoin captures even a small percentage of these markets. As Michael Saylor once said, Bitcoin isn't just a currency, it's the apex predator of all assets. Now, here's a curveball. Did you know Bitcoin could also disrupt real estate? Globally, real estate is valued at $400 trillion, but half of that is just people using homes as a store of value. If Bitcoin captures even a fraction of that monetary premium, we're talking about a potential price of $9.5 million per Bitcoin. Yep, you heard that right. Look at this graph. Bitcoin represents just 0.19% of global wealth right now. That's barely a ripple, but as more wealth shifts into Bitcoin, this tiny percentage could turn into a tidal wave. And here's the real kicker. Every year you hold fiat currencies like dollars, euros, or pounds, you're losing 5 to 20% of your purchasing power. Waiting for Bitcoin to dip is like watching your cash melt away. As one analyst put it, buying Bitcoin now is like paying a penny for $1 of future value. Bitcoin has no top because fiat has no bottom. Think about that. Every fiat currency trends towards zero over time, while Bitcoin has only gone up in purchasing power over the past 15 years. It's not a fluke, it's by design. And finally, Bitcoin isn't just money, it's engineered to be the best money. With a fixed supply of 21 million coins, it's inflation-proof. It's not controlled by governments, can't be counterfeited, and gives financial freedom to anyone, anywhere. So, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? Absolutely not. As we've seen today, Bitcoin's story is just beginning. From its tiny footprint in global wealth to its potential to disrupt gold and even real estate, the opportunities are massive. Thanks for tuning in to Edge 21, your ultimate hub for trending Bitcoin news and insights. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you the insights you need to stay ahead in this game-changing revolution. Remember, the future of money is here and it's called Bitcoin, so don't miss it. Until next time, stay strong and hodl on.